Okay, so let's start with the today's session. Before starting, just I will ask you one question and think of that, what it can be. Okay, can you name any table which has no legs? Can you name any table which has no legs? Think about it. If you know the answer, just type it in the chat box. If you can tell me any table which has no legs. All are typing 0. Okay, 8. One is saying 8 stable have no legs. Okay, 8 stable and 0. Okay. This question was not of mathematics. It was just a general question. And the answer of this question is that the table which has no legs is vegetable. Okay. Okay. So from that table, let's come to our mathematics tables. Okay. Let's see how to prepare the tables very quickly and very easily, and how to answer when it is asked to dodge the table. A particular table you have to dodge, like 23 sevens are, 23 eights are. That way if you have to dodge, how you can do it very quickly. Let's just see that. Okay. So for that purpose, I asked you yesterday to thorough your tables from 2 to 9. And I'm sure everybody must have done that. I'm sure. Okay. So let's start with that. One simple trick to write down nines table I'm going to show. If you have to write down nines table. Okay. If you have to write down nines table, first I will write number from 0 to 9. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. I have written the numbers from 0 till 9. Now what I'll do, from the bottom again I'll write these numbers reverse. Okay. From bottom again, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The nines table has been prepared. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81 and 9 tens are 90. Okay, this table we have prepared. Easy way. What I did, just wrote 0 to 9 numbers in the ascending order. Then from the bottom again I wrote 0 to 9. From bottom to the top. First I wrote from top to the bottom. Then I wrote from bottom to the top. And your 9th table is prepared. Okay. Now what if, now 10th table. 10th table is very easy to remember. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and the 10th table is like. We all like tables till the number 11. But after number 12, the tables, remembering the tables becomes little difficult for us. Okay. So for that purpose, how we can create a table or how we can write a table without learning or without remembering. Okay. Just that we are going to see now. For that purpose, all your tables should be thorough. Okay, I'll just rub it out. Now which table should we prepare? Should we prepare 23's table? Okay, within a few seconds we'll prepare 23's table. Is the table prepared? No. What I have done? We have to prepare 23 stable. What I have done? I have wrote 2 stable and I have wrote 3 stable. Okay, as you can see, 2 stable and 3 stable I have prepared. Now, from these 2 tables, what you have to do is, you have to take these numbers which are present in the units place. All the numbers you have to write it down here. Now, again see, 23. First 2 numbers directly. 23 twos are, from here I can write 46. 23 threes are, I can write 69. Okay. Now what is happening here? Both the places below 2 stable and below 3 stable, the numbers were of single digit numbers. But now 3 fours are 12. A 2 digit number has been introduced. Now what you will do? Write this 2 here. 23 fours are, and this one will get added with 8. So 8 plus 1 will become 9. 23 fours are 92. For the next number, 23 fives are, this 5 I will write here, and this 10 plus 1, 11. 23 sixes are, I will write down this 8, then 12 plus 1, 14. 23 sixes are 138. Again 23 sevens are, this 1 I am writing over, and then 14 plus 2, 16. Then 4 I am writing out here, 16 plus 2, 18. Okay. Then 23 nines are 7 out here, and 18 plus 2, 20. And lastly what? 0, and this 20 plus 3, 23. How much time we require? Very less time. See, just we have to write down the individual tables, and then we have to add. When we have to add, when a 2-digit number comes. Till the tables are having single digit numbers, we don't have to add it. We just write it as it is. 23 twos are 46, 23 threes are 69. Okay, write it down. We'll see another number, whether it can be done with another numbers, bigger numbers, whether it can be done. We'll see that. Write it down. Okay. You have completed writing. Okay. Now let's try it out for higher numbers. If suppose I have to prepare a table of 56. Okay. Same way, I will write 5 and 6, and here I will write 56. Okay. 5 stable, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, and 5 tens are 50. Okay, I wrote 5 stable. Now 6 stable I will write. 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, and 6 10s are 60. Okay, now 56 table. What was our this part? We'll separate this two-digit numbers. I will write here 2. This one will get added with 10. It will become 112. Again, I will write here 8. I will add this one with 15. It became 168. Again, 4 here and 20 plus 2, 22. Again, 0 here and 25 plus 3, 28. Then 6 and 30 plus 3, 33. Then next number 56, 7s are 2 here and 35 plus 4, 39. Then 8 and 40 plus 4, 44. Then 56 nines are 45 plus 5, 50, and last 56 tens are 560. Yes, is it easy? I'm sure you must be liking this method of writing the tables very easy way. In this way, you can prepare tables up to 100 just by adding this way, just by writing the individual tables of the asked digits. You can add them up and write down the table for any highest number till 100. Okay, this is the technique for writing the tables. Okay, write it down and then one table I will tell you to prepare. Don't write whole table in the chat box, just prepare the table and keep it with you and just type done when you do it. Okay, just write it down, then I will give one table for you to prepare. Thank you for your comments that you are typing very easy method. Ved is finding very easy. Mohit is finding. I'm sure all are finding it very easy. All have written very easy method. Okay. Now one table you prepare. I'm just rubbing it out. Now you prepare a table of 63. Okay. 63 table you prepare and just write done in the chat box. Don't type whole table. Just write done in the chat box. Oh my god, so quick. Shreyas has done it, Rudra has done, Sharvari, Zui, Pratap, Ved, Vansh, Mahi, Snehankit. Oh wow, you have done it very fast, very soon, very good. Darshit has done it, Arjita has done it, Shreyas Chikate, Vaishnavi has done it, Arnesh has done it, Sai has done it. Very good, very good. Srushti, Vishakha, Pranav, very good. Om has done, Parth has done. Bharti has also written. Very good, very good, very nice. Somebody is writing not able to connect. My voice is clear now. Just anybody voluntarily please type. On behalf of everyone, only one person type if my voice is clear. Okay, okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, now you have learned how to prepare the tables, right? Now in suppose dodging table competition, generally in school levels we have tables till 30. It is recommended that till 30 your table should be by hearted. Okay, but that never happens. Okay, so whenever it is required to in multiplication to write down the tables, but for that purpose, no, this technique should be very clear and you should be very fast in that. Okay, now suppose if I have to write, if I have been asked 22 multiplied by 8, okay, 22 multiplied. Now, 2's table we have to write down, 22 8's are we have to find out, okay. So, but we'll focus on 22's table. We'll focus on 22's table. Now, 8's are is asked. So, 2 8's are is how much? 16. 2 8's are is how much? 16. 6, 6 plus 1, 7 and 1. 176 is the answer. This way you can find. No need of writing this also. If it is in your mind. Okay. Another number we'll see 23 multiplied by 9. 3 nines are 27. 7 I will write. 2 is carry. 2 nines are 18. 18 plus 2 how much? 20. Got the answer very quickly within few seconds. Okay. For that purpose this, so that's why I told you that the tables from 2 to 9 should be very thoroughly by hearted by you, so that it quickly comes to your mind. If it has been asked 16 multiplied by 8, 6 8s are 48. I will write 8, 4 will be carried. 1 8s are how much? 8, 8 plus 8 how much? 16. Sorry, sorry, it's 12. 12. 1 8 is 8 plus 4 were carry. So 8 plus 4, 12. 128. Okay, this way you can do and you can dodge the tables. Now few this type of table dodging I will give you here on the board and you solve it. Okay. Very good. The answers are very quick, huh? Very quick answers you all give. Very nice. Om has given the answer. Bharti has given. Vishakha, Yash, Zui, Mahi, Atharva, Purva, Snehankit, Vansh, Mohit, Atharva, Ved, Sharvari has given the answer. Yes, all the answers are correct. Arnesh, Bharti, Srishti, Mohit. Yes, very good, very nice. Very quick you people are. Very good. Swara has given the correct answer. Darshil has given the correct answer. Sai has given correct answer. Mohit, Pratap, Darshil. Vaishnavi has given correct answer. Yes, very good. Great boy. Okay. So answer for these three 26 fours are 144, 27 eights are 216 and 26 nines are 234. All of you have got correct answers. Very good. Okay, now let's go for the next part. Okay, let's go for the next part, and that is multiplication. Let's learn multiplication easy way. Okay, how to multiply. Multiplication. Now in this there are various methods of multiplication. Okay, I'll tell you that. First, we will try with a trick in which we have to draw something. Okay, like a shape will be created in front of you, and from that shape, not shape actually, not a drawing, but you will be drawing something in the representation of the numbers, and you will get the answer from that representation. Okay, everybody loves drawing. I'm sure everybody must be loving to draw. Okay, I'm sure everybody must be loving to draw. Gargi, no problem. You can join the session now. And yes, okay, even though I want to tell you that even though if you are late to join the session, no problem. You can see this session every day. After this session is over, after the live session is over, you can see this session after 2 hours. Now suppose today's session will be over at 6. Okay, so after 7:30 or till 8 o'clock, you will be able to view this live session as in the form of a recording in the segment called live classes. When you click on batch, various options are there above that batch, like overview, assignments, announcements. So if you go on scrolling that, you will get a tab called live classes, and if you click on that, you will see the recordings of all the classes which are being held till now, and you will be able to see that recordings. Okay, so never mind if you are late for the class or if you miss a class someday. Okay, so let's go for multiplication and let's see what exactly we have to draw, what kind of a drawing we are going to create for multiplication. Okay, let's see that. Suppose I have to multiply 12 multiply by 14. Okay, these two numbers I have to multiply. 12 multiply by 13. Now, first number is what? 12. I will draw this number in form of lines. Okay, the number is 12, I will draw one line in this way. The first number I have drawn as 1. Then the next is 2. I will draw two lines separated by a distance. Okay. Now we have to multiply this 12 with 13. Okay, we have to multiply this 12 with 13. For that purpose, now again I have to draw one. So now what I will do, I will intersect these lines. Whatever lines I have drawn, I will intersect that lines. Now how to do that? First is 1. I will draw one line here. I will draw one line here. And this 3, again I will draw 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. See, a nice shape has been created. That's why I said that you have to draw something. Okay. Now from this drawing, how are we supposed to get our answer? So for that purpose, now if you can see, the lines are intersecting at points. Okay. There lies our answer. The lines where they are intersecting, it has the hidden numbers into it. Let's pull out that numbers. Okay. See here now, these three lines are intersecting with these two lines at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 6 dots, 6 places these three lines have been intersected. So what I will do, I will take this number 6 and write it down in the units place. Now, let's come to the middle section of this drawing. The middle section of this drawing, let's see how many times the line are intersected. Now here if I see in the top, 1, 2 and 3. 3 times. And in the bottom, 1 and 2. 2 times. Now this middle section, we have to add it together. Now this 3 times plus this 2 times. So it becomes 3 plus 2. It becomes how much? 5. I will write it in the tens place. The 5 went in the tens place. And now last intersection. It is how many times? Only one time. So that I will write over here. 1. That gave you the answer. What is the answer? 12 multiplied by 13, 156. Easy way. Just by counting the intersections, what we have done? Found the answer for this multiplication, 12 multiplied by 13. No need of remembering 12 table. No need of remembering 13 table. Do we need to remember? No. We just have to draw these numbers by the number of lines. Okay. What I did, I will tell you once again. I'll repeat. 12. What I did, I draw a first line over here. This is the first line I draw. 1. Then for 2, I drew 2 lines here. This is the one line and this is the another line. Then I wanted to represent 13. So for that purpose, again this one I represented by this one line intersecting the first 2 lines. Then I draw 3 lines, again intersecting the lines. Okay. Then what I did, I counted the points of intersection. To the very right hand side, I found that the lines were intersected 6 times. The lines were intersected 6 times. So what I did, I counted all that intersection points and wrote 6 in the units place. Then moving from right to the left, what I did, I counted the points again. How many times the middle points or the middle portion we have to add the intersection points. So upper side there were 3 points and on the lower side there were 2 points. So I added them up, 3 plus 2. I got 5. I wrote 5 in the tens place. And lastly, to the left side, there was only one point of intersection. So I wrote 1 here. And finally we got our answer that 12 multiplied by 13 is equal to 156. Let's see another example. Write it down first. Then we'll see another example based on the same method. Om is smiling. Om is smiling. Om has found this method very easy. Okay, you have done. I just wonder how fast you write. You're very fast. I'm sure your calculations will also be faster after completion of this course, and you will save your time. Whenever there will be mathematics homework, I'm sure you will be finishing it within few minutes. And your parents will also be amazed and your teacher will also be amazed. Okay, so you have completed writing. I guess many have written that you have done writing. Let's see these steps once again. I'm taking another number. 23 multiplied by 31. Okay, 23 multiplied by 21. What I have to do? Where I have to represent 23 first. I will draw here two lines. Then 3. Represented 23 in the form of lines. Now I have to represent 31. So 3 lines here and 1 line. Now what is the next step? To calculate the intersection points. To the right hand side, how many points are there? 1, 2 and 3. 3 points in the middle of this diagram. Let's see how many points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. How many points are found? 11 points in the middle section. Now what I'll do? I'll write 1 in the tens place. 11 I have got. Okay. Here are the 2 points and here are the 9 points. So I've got additional 11. I wrote 1 and 1 I kept for carry. 1 I have kept for carry. Then let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 intersection points on the left hand side and this plus 1. What I get? 713. So the answer for 23 multiplied by 31 is 713. Okay, is it clear? 713. With this method, you can go up to 3 digits also. But when you go for more number of digits, this method starts becoming little more complicated. We will definitely show you that how 3 digit number multiplication can be done with the help of this method, but for that purpose you will have to wait a little more. Okay, just now write it down and then I will give you one example to solve by this method, 1 or 2 examples, and then you solve. Okay, get your hands on in this method by solving 2 examples on your own, and that will be perfect. You will get hold of this method very quickly. Okay, do it, write it down. I will give you 2 examples. Okay, you have done writing. Okay, one repeat request I have got. Okay, no problem. I'll repeat it once again. I'll take another numbers and I'll repeat. I've got one repeat request. I'll repeat this method once again. Now let's try with some another numbers. Suppose if I take 23 multiplied by 14. If I have to find out 23 multiplied by 14. Okay. First, I will represent the number 23. This is representation of 2 with 2 lines. Representation of 3. Few distance apart, I will draw 3 lines. Okay. Few distance apart, I will draw 3 lines. Then I have to represent the number 14. Okay. For that purpose, one line and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 lines I have drawn. Now, what is the next step? To count the intersection points. To count the intersecting points. Okay. On the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now here I got 12 intersection point, a 2-digit number I have got. Okay. So while writing in the 10 units place, I will just write 2 and I will take 1 for carry. I will take 1 for carry. We have got 12 intersection points here. So I have written 2 and took 1 for carry. Now the middle part. How many intersection points? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total intersection points in the middle section are 11 and plus this 1 makes it 12. Again 2 I will be writing in the tens place, 1 I will be taking for carry. On the left hand side, how many intersection points? 1 and 2. 2 intersection points. 2 plus 1. How much? 3. So this is the answer. 322. 23 multiplied by 14 equals 322. Is it clear now? Is the method clear now? Yes, very good. Many of you have found the answers also. Very good, very nice. Darshil has given the answer. Bharti has given the answer. Yes, yes. Mahi, Mohit, Snehankit. Very good, very good. Great. Okay, Srishti has given the answer. Many of you have calculated the answers beforehand. Very nice. Om, Atharva, Shreyas, Ved, Sharvari, Darshil, Snehankit, Mohit, Mahi. Yes, very good. Lakshmi has given the answer just now. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this method. Two more examples and you will be more clear to this. Do this calculations. Oh my god. Very fast responses. स्नेहांकित, श्रेयस चिकाटे, पूर्वा, वेद, स्वप्निल, जुई, भारती, ओम, Sai, Mahi has given the correct answer. Pranav, Kuldeep has given correct answer. Vansh, Parth. Kuldeep, I think there is a typing mistake in your answer. Yashasvi has given the answer. Tanaya has given the correct answer. Shreyas. Yes, very good. Srushti has given the correct answer. Vaishnavi has given the correct answer. Darshil has given the correct answer. Zui. Ved has given correct answer. Pratap, Lakshmi, Snehankit, Sharvari, Vishakha. Very good. So the answer for these two questions, let's see what it is. I hope my voice is clear. There is no problem in the voice. And you are able to see the screen also. Yeah, okay. So the answer for this 21 multiplied by 14, what you have to do? Draw two lines and one line apart. Here one line and four lines here. Intersection points 1, 2, 3, 4. In between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this one is 9, and here is 294. And 32 multiplied by 12. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 1, and 2 lines. So to the right hand side there are 4 intersection points. In between there are 8 intersection points, and to the left there are 3 intersection points. So the answer is 384. Okay, 294 and 384. Now let us see few fun multiplications. Okay, you can call them fun multiplications, because for that purpose you don't have to draw anything, you don't have to remember anything. Okay, so that multiplications are with the number 11. Okay, those multiplications are with the number 11. Okay. If I write 11 multiplied by 11, those who are knowing the concept of square may be easily able to calculate 11 multiplied by 11. And the answer for this is 121. The answer for this is what? 121. Okay. If suppose I wrote the number as 111 or 111 multiplied by 111, how much time it will take to do the answers? Just 1 second. Just 1 second. What is the answer for this? This is the answer for this multiplication. How did I wrote that? How did I wrote that? Now see here. 11 multiplied by 11. How many times the number 1 is there? 2 times. So what I did? I wrote 1, 2. And then went into recurring order. I wrote 1 again. That is the answer for 11 multiplied by 11. Similar thing I did with 111 multiplied by 111. Now here 1 is 3 times. What I did? 1, 2, 3. Again went in the reverse order. 2 and 1. If I wrote 4 times 1, 1, 1, 1, multiplied by 1, 1, 1, 1, what are we going to get? Again, we will go on writing 1, 2, 3 till 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then in reverse order 3, 2, and 1. Isn't it easy? What I am doing, just calculating the number of ones, writing it down in the answer section, how many ones are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again in the reverse order 3, 2, 1. So in this way, if the number comes 5 times, what will be the answer? Write it down. What will be the answer? Tell me what will be the answer. If I wrote 1 5 times. Yes, very good. Very nice. See, does it took any time to write down the answer? No, within just a second. Within just a second, you wrote the answers. Yes, Tanaya, Mohit, Arnesh, Kuldeep, Shreya, Chikate, Vansh, Archita, Ved, Vaishnavi, Tanaya, Mohit, Vansh, Bharti, Atharva, Lakshmi, Yashasvi, Zui, Darshil, Purva, Path, Om, Vishakha, Snehankit, Sharwari, Bharti, yes, Mahi, very good, very nice, very good. Okay, isn't it easy? This was easy. Okay, so the answer for this 5 times 1 multiplied by 5 times 1 is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 3, 2, and 1. This was the answer. Okay. So today again that time has come. That time has come when we will have to end this session. Okay. So you all were very good at this session. You all were very quick in your responses, very quick in your calculations, very good. Keep it doing well, practice all the methods well. Okay, tomorrow I'll be coming with more interesting methods of multiplication which you will definitely like it and love to solve it very quickly. Once again, I just want to remind you all that those who have not submitted the names on WhatsApp group, please submit your names in the format student name, mother's name, father's name, and your surname for the digital certificate which we are going to present it to you. Okay. What you have to do, you have to write your name, that is student name who has participated in this online course, then write your mother's name, then your father's name, and then your surname. Okay, in this format you have to submit your names. Okay, and you are very what you can say active in this session. I hope you all are listening, but you are not still you are not subscribed to our channel, and I felt very bad about it. So please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, Vikas Sawant's Academy. Like that channel, see the videos, share the channel with your friends and relatives. Okay, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of newly uploaded videos. Okay, I hope you liked today's lecture and you enjoyed solving the multiplication, you enjoyed writing the tables. And now, yes, you are the master, you can write the tables till 100. Nobody can stop you from writing the tables till 100. Okay, so keep practicing those tricks and techniques, and I will end today's session. Thank you so much for being very nice throughout this session, and we'll meet tomorrow at 4 p.m. Okay, we'll be meeting at 4 p.m. tomorrow. So bye bye for now, and stay safe and stay healthy at your home. Bye.